Okay brother, I will show you how you can add your product into your store. Okay, first you need to log into your dashboard. Okay, I have already sent the login detail to you. Just copy the link and paste your browser and then enter the username and password. Then you will be here in the screen. After this you need to go to product section. Okay, here on the product section you need to all the product and then wait because my internet was slow, so it will take some time. Okay, now we are going to I will show you how you can add the product. Okay, one way you can add on this add new. If you can add product one by one, otherwise you can import the product here. If you have the CSV file, it will be easy for you. Just hire a person, hire a freelancer who will create a CSV file. Just give him the detail of all the description, tag, name, image. He will create a CSV file. You can just simply import this file and all of your product will be imported in 1 minute. But if you have not the CSV file, then you need to add the product one by one. Here you can click on this add new and then a screen will be open and then you can add new product. Okay, so you have two options. One, you can import by CSV file, so it will be easy I think to import by CSV file, but no problem, I will show you how you can add manually. This is a manual method. Here you will write the product name, just we can see write demo product. Okay, just go below. Here you can write the description. Hello, I am description. Okay, you can write anything about your product. Okay, just copy and you can also need go here. Here you can see a lot of options in the left side. Here you can set the price of your product like $100. Okay, $100. This is dollar. You can also change the price currency later. Here you can also sell the regular price like 100%. Then you will sold this ad. You are selling this on $90. You are given 10% discount. Okay. Then you can here go to inventory. In inventory you have different options like SKU. You can write any SKU number and you like NU-44. This number is used to identify your product. Okay, on the order page, so it is very important to put this SKU. Any number you can use, A B C D E F A to Z and for number. In stock, enable stock management. If you want to, you have like 1000 product in your inventory. Okay, then you can enable this. Here you have option to allow or not allow to order back. If the customer did not like your product, he can allow if you want to order back, but I think not allow. Low stock, when your product reach at 12, when 12 product reach in your store, then it will show you a message sold. So you can skip this. Here you can choose the shipping, like what was the weight of this product. Like this is 1 kg. You can also choose dimension like 22 centimeter, weight 11, height 1 meter. Okay, then you can link the product if you want to display anyone, but it is also not necessary tribute. This is also not for you advance. Here you can purchase note. Thanks for your order. Okay, here you custom short code. This is also not for you. Okay, then you can go below. Here you will also have product short description. You can also copy description from this area and paste. Okay, just go below. Add image to review. Here you will add a product image. You can choose, simply you can upload here from your PC, or otherwise you can, if you have already uploaded the image, then you can upload from here. Choose, like we have all the image that we have already uploaded in our store. Just wait, it take some time to load. Okay, I will just choose this image. Okay, this one. I'm just selling bicycle here. Okay, now overall score. You can set overall score. How many rating? Just it's not necessary. This is also for rating section. Okay, here in the left, in the right sidebar, you can see many options. Okay, product categories. You can choose in which category you want to add your product, like audio, video. You can choose the category. Okay, here you can also add new brand, like any brand, which like any brand name you can type, what is Cardi is a brand, and you can add new brand. Okay, you can also publish no product layout. You can also choose product different design. You see there are a lot of design you can choose. No badge, editor choice, best seller, best value, best seller. Okay, and after below you can also have product tag for the SEO. Like people can search on your site and then found the product, like our product is related to, like our product is related to cycle. We can add bicycle. And then here product image is the most important thing. These are the most important thing, both image and product gallery. You must need to add the product image, like here, because this will be shown on your. Okay, I'm now going to add show image, no problem. Here now, why it's not added? I think my internet was slow, sorry. And then you need to also add product for gallery. Select gallery 2 or 3 image for your gallery. Okay, see all the image has been added. Now your all store product has been completed. Now you just go to and publish. Here you will see a publish option. Where you have to find. Where is? Why it's not seen published? Sorry. Yeah, here you see this option, publish. Click on the publish, and then now your product is live. Okay, just wait, then I will show you how your product looks like. Okay, just go to all product, again click on all product. Now your product is published, and now we can see it. Okay, and now I'm going. See how this product has been already added. We can view this product. Okay, in our shop. Okay, just I have opened this product, and now I can see how it looks like in our shop page. Okay, I know my internet was slow, so it takes some time. And one thing more I will tell you, brother, if you need any product infographic design or product CSV file, anything, you can also contact with us, because we have a team who will do this for you. Okay, in a very suitable price, don't worry. And if you also need any help in future, then you can also contact us. Now just wait, it will load the screen, and then I will show you how it looks like, because I have just see I have added the price. The price is $100, but you are now selling this in $29. Awesome. Here you see the product image. You can click on this to see full image. You can also here you can also see all the image. Okay, see, because these images are not equal inside, you must keep in mind these things, that when you upload the product image, these are all in equal size. That's why I have asked you to hire somebody or take help with our team. They can create a similar image and everything, and also do infographic and simple design. Okay, now see, here is a rating option.